Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. I thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to be unboxing the items that I got from Beebeecraft. Beebeecraft have a YouTube program where you can get free items. Only thing you have to have is at least 100 subscribers. So if I have any YouTubers out there that might be interested in this program, you only need to have, again, 100 subscribers to get in this program. And then when you're accepted into the program, they want you to do an unboxing video, which I'm about to do right now. And they want you to do 2 other videos using their products. If you are interested in joining this program as well, I will leave a link to it in the description below. I got $40 worth of stuff, and I'm about to show you what I have coming up next. I am so in love with these crystals, and no crystal is alike. They may look alike, but they're different in some type of way. I don't know if you all can see that. Like, even though they look similar, well, those two don't look similar. Let me try another set. So even if they look similar, they're still different in some type of way. So I almost wanted, I think I'm gonna go ahead and order another set of these so I can have them in pairs. But these crystals are so beautiful, and they all have their own design. So I just want to stop and share that with you. They all, like even these two, they look similar, but look, they're a little bit different. That is so awesome. Okay, moving along. I love these table signs. I'm not sure what it goes up to, but I will make sure I include that in this video. But these are so nice, and you can spray paint them any color you like. This is really nice, these table signs. Okay, on to the next thing. I am gonna leave a link below for each of these awesome items I got. I am so happy with what I received. So please check out Beebeecraft. They have so many different products for crafters. Again, if you are a YouTuber and you have at least 100 subscribers, please check out their YouTube program as well. And stay tuned for my 2 videos where I'm gonna use these products. I'm gonna show you how you can use these products from Beebeecraft. Thank you for joining me today. Until I see you next time, bye.